Hey there. Welcome to the Exotel Support Center. Let's see how we integrate Exotel with Freshdesk. Log in to your Exotel dashboard. Let's make a note of our API credentials. Go to My Account. Click on API Settings. Make a note of your API key, API token, and your account SID too. Now, go to the home page. Click on App Bazaar and create a new call flow. You can edit your existing call flow as well to make the necessary changes. Add a Connect applet. Under the Dial Whom section, select the group as per your requirement. Select the other features as per your requirement. In the Create Pop-up section, you need to add an URL so that the pop-up will be enabled in your Freshdesk for any incoming calls. These are the example URLs for creating a pop-up, sending the data to your Freshdesk post completed calls and missed calls. You will find these example URLs in this support article. I have created the URLs and made a note of these too. For creating a pop-up, copy this URL and paste it here. Now, add a pass-through applet after the call conversation ends. In the Information Pass-Through option, copy and paste this URL. The pass-through can be either sync or async. In the In Response box, I am adding a hang-up applet. You can add any applet as per your requirement. Once this is done, minimize the other applets and go back to the Connect applet. At the bottom of the Connect applet, you will find an option, If Nobody Answers. Select the Go to Radio button and add a pass-through applet over there. In the Information Pass-Through option, copy and paste this URL. The pass-through can be either sync or async. In the In Response box, I am adding a hang-up applet. You can add any applet as per your requirement. Once this is done, save the call flow and go to the home page. Now, go to the Exophone section and change the installed app to your newly created or modified app against your Exophone. Now, log into your Freshdesk account and go to the admin page. Scroll down until you find the Apps option under Support Operations. Click on the Apps option. Search for Exotel CTI. Click on the Install button. In the Freshdesk domain, add your Freshdesk domain web address. Next is the Freshdesk API key. You will get the Freshdesk API key from here. Click on Profile Settings. You will find the Freshdesk API key here. Copy the API key and paste it here. Next is your Exotel account's region or cluster. In most cases, your account belongs to Singapore only. If your Exotel account SID ends with the alphabet M, it belongs to Mumbai. Otherwise, it belongs to Singapore. For any clarifications in this regard, please reach out to Exotel support. Next, your Exotel account SID. Your Exotel API key. And your Exotel API token. You will get the Exotel endpoint URL in the support article. This is the Exotel endpoint URL. Copy this and paste it here. Next is ticket auto assignment to agents. This option will automatically assign the created tickets to the agent who received the call. If you need this feature, you can enable it. Click here so that all the Freshdesk agent roles will be enabled in the next option. You can start selecting your Freshdesk agent roles. For those roles you selected here, the Exotel CTI option will be enabled. Once this is done, verify all the details and click on the Install button. Once the app is installed, please refresh the page. You will find the Exotel CTI option in your left bottom corner. Click on the Exotel CTI option and then the Settings button. The user mapping page will open. Click on the Sync button so that the common users between Freshdesk and Exotel will be synced and shown here. Once the data is synced, click on the Edit option for each and every user and add their details as required. Always make sure to add the user's mobile number with the country code. Select the caller ID from the drop-down list. You can also enable or disable outbound calls for particular users from Freshdesk as per your requirement. Once this is done, save it. And go back. Repeat the same to all the other users and close the user mapping page once done. You can make outbound calls from here. You can find your call history here. This is the device management button. By clicking here, you can switch your device between on and off. Just like switching from your Exotel dashboard. This is the Click2Call option. A call will be initiated to the particular number if you click here. You can add your notes and create a ticket for any calls. For any calls, you will get a notification here like this. Also, for any missed calls, automatic tickets will be created as well. This is how Exotel integration with Freshdesk can be achieved. Hope this helps. For any further assistance in this regard, please reach out to Exotel support. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.